Yeah, sanibona guys. This is another day in another vlog ukuthi mhlangabeze. So fast sengivukile la guys. Nina nangihleka mangikhombisa ngilele lapha embedeni laphana. So ngeke ngisathi veta vele. Yeah, anyway guys ngiyogeza lana vele bekusile like ukusekuseni ngilungiselela ukuthi ngiye shower and guys Hi guys man, like uma ngivuke ekulaleni I am cooked. Bukelani nje guys. But that doesn't matter guys. I'm brushing my teeth right now cause like yeah, I don't want to smell. I don't want my mouth to smell like a dumpster, guys. Please brush your teeth. Like sometimes you don't tell you kocha saniva but I'm lomi anuga boga. So guys, yeah, lang ya swenka lani swag ya yase gym lena guys. So ya phela mayo gym phela ufuna ukubonakala like umuhle yabo qabuzane ma muscles. Guys, la sengigqoka bo size 10 bam. Yeah guys, ngiyanhliki man lenyawo lami elikhulu but that doesn't matter anyway. Futhi wa comment something le better ngakutela la uhlala khona ngilokushaya ngoba mina ngivande abantu abacelelako guys. Ya ngidlale nema LS am lapha yabolela lidzabukile guys. Ngicela ngithengele makawusi ami nje sekayashota guys. Yo I go. Yeah guys, I have a long day today. So naila 3 p.m. guys nayibona ngakanani. Mara ngimkhulu mina guys. Cabangani base ngisibhome ngoba ngingakanani. Phela ngumuntu lomkhulu mina. Yeah, fast guys, lana sengithela amanti ke la ngisho lamanti bengiwafaka efridge bawafreezile, so I had to open up some space kuso sona lesigubhu because this is the one I carry to the gym. Like it has like angengichaze guys, but yeah, it's suitable for the gym. Anyway, sengiyaphuma lana guys. Ngiyaphuma la i-rest and I'm showing you the place. Niyabona ngoba i-rest yami inhle kanjani guys. Manje singiyafika lana mina. Bangihleka lapha. Bangihleka bathi mina ngingilomjita lo vela kuma vlogs what baya pretender naba guys. Yabo ngivana nema RC mina, people of higher levels. Nayibona lento guys. Anyway, ngiyaphuma lana guys kuloko 10 star. Sengigcine ngikufunza phela ligama layo ukuthi yini 10 star leya guys. Nanyalo ngisatongela kuyo nje la gym la nayibo gym yami. Ngila ngijima khona ke la ngila ngibuilda khona ama muscles guys. Phela kufuna sijime, invoice akufuna ibe ikhulu kuze into khona kuphakamisa lo mfati kahle. Ngendela lo mfati mina lapha endlini. Yo guys, mara ngeke ngichaze sonke le story. Ngisanza nizaba nini. Yeah guys, i-camera yami ngikhathile la cause bese ngibona ngathi like into ngena lapha bese ngisaba labantu kahle. Like bengafuni ukuthi bangibone bathi awkward what. So guys, lana singena ngefingerprint la nibonile mos. Ngeke nje uma ungena ungabhadala la uyabhadala uma ungena la gym la. So guys, yeah, bhadalani nibeni sijoine sibe fit sonke. Yabo. Guys, today bengifocus kakhulu on the back but unfortunately ngikhona kwa shooter like nginikhombise ukuthi ngijima kanjani because yeah bengijima kiyi-1 nomjita lengijima naye. Singena isikhathi that's different these days. So angadi man. Ngathi kusindawo sini guys, but it doesn't matter ke. So invoice la ifike yathini lo muntu lo beyajima la bekajima ngema-weight lamancane. Ngafika mina ngafaka kwa 80 kg lapha ngoba ngesilwane. Nayi lenye inzawo la bengijima khona guys. So long Jimmy back la. Yo guys, ngicela ningibukile hayi bese ngikhathele. Yes. Yabona i-gym isimanisa i-enjoy gym. Hayi diyabuya la guys. Diyabuya. Guys, into ngixolela futhi nangabe ngibhizi ngiphokuma lana like mangabe ngirecorda, it's because of lama one takes guys. Inkinga ngiyahluleka like ukuthi ngathi ngiyarecorda ngiyaphoza yabo, but maybe I should try it. So la bese ngishaya i-gym yami yokugcina bese ngijima kwekugcina la. It's for the arms kahle like, and I had the time. Actually I did not have the time because bekumele ngihambe. Yeah guys, lana today ngiyaphuma ngiya downtown yabona. So yeah, guys, ngithi ngiyakala lana umuntu 84 kg 84 guys. Mina yes no ngithuke kakhulu guys. Mina ngicela ninginike i-diet shame because ngiyazama ngiyajima but i-weight ayehli. Kusukela ngacala ukujima kwehle 2 kg bengiweya 86. Yo guys, sitani man, ngeke. So yeah, ngiyaphuma la still abantu labahleli la reception abekho guys. Angazi ukuthi bengisabela nikushootha ngisangena ecaleni. ngiyibona lento nangi singiyaphuma la ngaphandle vele uhleli Bob lapha engiyadlala guys ngaze nithi racist what yeah hey mara guys ngiyahamba ke sengibuyela i-rest nayibona le ndlela niyayathi leso ngeke nikhombise yonke fast fasting la i-rest la and bengifuna yathi kunemjita lopheka kula upheka ifish bengifuna ukumkhombisa manje guys majita la i-rest kangisaba simina ngakhombisa kuma vlogs what anyway fast sengikhombisa i-trip yami lana phela lana ngisho ngicela ukugeza for ukuthi into khona kukhapha lungile lapha e-downtown la siya khona so nasi silwane ke lana siyopheka i-oats bengilambile guys kusukela ngivukile bekingahle nix ngivuke ngaye gym ngakahle and I guess that's also why like ngibe ngivilaphile today like vilaphile but at the same time I did lift yeah so ngiyayipheka i-oats yami guys ningamangali ilibhodo lami lincane vele ngidla ngeyi-1 yabona ngidla ngeyi-1 guys so fast sengicedile kupheka lana khipha iskhaftini mina yabo iskhaftini serama lesenesibuyela bePick n Pay phela mina ngidlala mina ngeke ngithenga irama yemo what yadura amarama irama yeah guys sengiyajikjela lapha Pun guys ngijikjela sokucala ngiyakuva ngithi hayi asengishikishitana ngento khona kungenela kahle ngijikjela sesi2 ejikjela sesi3 na guys and ngicetha nga 2 minutes angidlala phela mina ngisoja mina recruiter mina wena mawufuna kuya ku food competition dayiva lento engidakwendela yona ngisoja kakhulu mina guys so lama fast ke siyaphuma ke nalungile yeah bengafuni ukumkhombisa kakhulu la kule video because uyayisaba camera guys honestly nitambona mos ngihamba kwesikhathi kule video yeah nakuya lokho bus lesiyogibela ngiyathi nginyanyisile indaba yale bus guys nasithi siyafika laphana kugcwele siyagibela and solo bagibelisa labanye abantu bayihamba la endleleni ibus igibelisa labanye abantu simile laphana sibhadalile kuneke ukuthi basinike i-discount mina ngiyabazonda abantu bebus vele bafana nabetaxi anyway fast ke sesifikile la lo muntu uthi ekutotha ngathi inwele ubhisi ubuka ama-size mina hawulungile yini ngani loyifuna ngoba konke kuyafana yithini yathi mina umuntu kuba nginika imali ngeta ngathi othenga la nebenguvele ngithathe nje ngikubona ukuthi inwele musikonke guys kuma wrong dinwele yonke lento guys mina benguvele ngithathe uyambona uyasathu uyayekela angathi nokusimehluko kuphi la so anyway siyahamba lana guys ngibona i-escalator mina ngithi hawu guys escalator ngagcina ngikugibela into leya tafuna sigibele namuhla uyangihleka lo mngani wami ayinani inkinga siyide into lethe emakhaya guys ngisuke emakhaya mina kusenkomazi lapha siyahlupheka even indlela tethu ma dust road angisho if government yethu iyabhetha but anyway ngaze ngikhulume lokuningi batata ngibulala ngila Free State guys naye escalator yabona lana lana vele bese ngishilo ukuthi hayi noma kanjani ngiyigibela manje ngikiya ukuthi ngicishe ngena le mistake yokuthi nginyathele ku 2 steps ngesikhathi C1 bengiyowa guys la bekuhlekiswa ngami la siyehla ke guys siyahamba ke busy ngiyacabanga lapha phela ngisho itolo khona le video lephumile yala downtown nalabanye abantu babathathela tinto manje mina ngilinzile la ngihlomile ngithi ababuyela kimi phela mina ngiyajima mina guys in level program yini mar yathi mantombatana ahlupheka ungagcoka lo nje uhambe in public my friend itinto abathengisako anyway guys sesiyajika lana ke silinza ibhasi la khona ibhasi yakhona ithi ama-hours ukuthi ifike la and inyayisa ngani ngoba mayifika la siyalinza like for like 30 minutes and above siyalinza solo silinze ukuthi ibhasi ihambe ibhasi yona ifuna ukugqwalisa abantu ifuna uku-overfill guys kumele kube nomthetho lo preventer lo cause hayibo yes yathi kube sihambe ngetinyawo lana ngabe sesifikile e-campus e-rest manje vele ngihamba nentombatana bengiyivuma isisotsha fast sifikile sesibuyile ke on campus gate 5 yes it's gate 5 lapha campus lona guys ngiyangena lana kuyangibhayizisa lokho 10 star yathi mina itino tesilunga ngakujwayeli guys angikadijwayele ngoba serious kufanele ngithathe ngingise uma vacation ngiyarecorda la ngibhizi ngiyacomplaina ngespace sami guys yathi lokurecorda lokungidlela space ifoni yami vele nje ngicela ngithenge ifoni Nkosi yami yathi angathi usingangicela kangaki ngisangithenge laptop ngithenge ifoni anyway ngingamlungile bese sekangithengela ikoda lana ngoba silwane bese sikhala ngendlala man Ya, fast ngibuya kwi-microwave le nto iyangishisa la etandleni guys. Anyway.